Let's look at item 55, question 55 here. Right. Item 55 refers to the following diagram, which shows rectangle WXYZ, so that's WXYZ here, and its image W prime. So you have the image W prime X prime Y prime Z prime, and W double prime X double prime Y double prime Z double prime after it undergoes a composite or double transformation. Alright. What sequence of transformation will map WXYZ onto the image W double prime X double prime Y prime Y double prime Z double prime? Let's do a little thing here and discuss it over here. Now this is from the previous question. Let's get rid of this and erase what we had before and put this here. Now the thing is, before we look at the options, this looks like a reflection over the line, over the x-axis. So, or over the y-axis, I mean. You have a reflection over the y-axis. You can see that. And then, after that, let me see now. If I draw a line here through W, then Z, and then Y, you have a reduction. Well, it's an enlargement with a scale factor half. Because you notice, when you look here, and the center of enlargement is the origin, 0, 0. When you look at from Z prime to double prime, and then you compare from Z double prime, from Z double prime to W double prime is half. So you half this to get this. So the scale factor of the enlargement is half. And you notice earlier, when I draw the lines from the origin, they pass through the Z's, they pass through the W's, and they pass through the Y's. So the center of enlargement is the origin. So we have a reflection over the y-axis, and then an enlargement with scale factor half, center 0, 0. You see what they have to say? A translation, definitely not translation, it can't be a translation. Because if it was a translation, which would be a slide, Y would be here and Y would remain here. The W here, the W would remain here. So it's not A. A is out. Alright? A reflection in the y-axis. Okay. B. B seems to be working. Followed by an enlargement, center origin with scale factor half. Oh, you see that B would be the one. Here, counterclockwise, rotation, 90 degrees above the origin. If we have a counterclockwise rotation, 90 degrees above the origin, the Z here would end up here, yes. The W here would end up here. So this would be flat. It would look more like this, so it couldn't be C. This is an enlargement, center, origin, scale factor half by followed by anticlockwise rotation. If you had an enlargement first, center half, with half center being the origin, what would happen is that this would be the center. It goes through Z, W, X, X, with center half. Now what you would have, the center origin, what you would have is half of the AWX. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it becomes 1, 2. So that's what would happen there. Then we will go up, this and this. That's what will happen. And then it says rotation, counterclockwise rotation about the origin, 90 degrees about the origin. This now, this corner would go from here and 90 degrees about the origin, carried somewhere about here. Alright? But if you rotate this 90 degrees about the origin, it will look more like this. So in any case, you can see that our answer is B. So that's the answer there.